Lesson 14. W in the body of a word. When the sound W occurs in the body of a word, as in quick, it is represented by a short dash underneath the vowel. For one, quick. So, quick. K-E-K. And then, maglalagay kayo ng short dash sa ilalim ng vowel. So, this is the sounds of W. Quick. Coat. K-O-T. And then, W. Quit. K-E-T. W. Equip. E-K-E-P. W. Between. B-T-E-N-W. Square. S-K-A-R-W. Twice. T-long-I-S. W. Twine. T-long-I-N. W. Qualify. K-U-L-F long I-W. Hardware. H-A-R-D-A-R-W. Roadway. R-O-D-A-W. Always. O-L-A-S-W. Next is TED. The combination TED is represented by joining letter T and D into one long upward stroke. Ayan, TED. T-D. Ayan, combination. Okay, let us compare the three words. Hit, H-E-T, head, H-E-D, heated, H-E-ted. So, mas mahaba na siya rather than the letter D. Okay. Listed, L-E-S-ted. Acted, A-K-ted. Tested, T-E-S-ted. Quoted, K-O-W-ted. Accepted, A-K-S-E-P-ted. Rested, R-E-S-ted. Dated, D-A-ted. Visited, V-E-S-E-ted. Adopted, A-D-O-P-ted. Located, L-O-K-A-ted. Steady, S-ted-E. Today, tud or ted-A. Kung merong combination ng TED, meron namang combination ang dead, dit, dead. Okay. So, guided, gay, long I, dead. Needed, N-E, dead. Graded, gay, R-A, dead. Added, A, dead. Deduct, dead, U-U-K-T. Deduction, dead, U-U-K-tion. Okay, for death and dit is the same lang. So, detail, death, A-L, debtor, death, R, credit, K-R-E, debt, creditor, K-R-E, debt, R, edit, E, debt, audited, O, debt, jag, D. So, ito ay ginagamit para, itong jag, ginagamit ito para ma-emphasize na this is past tense, audited. Kasi kung audit lang siya, dapat O, debt. So, ngayon, merong kadugtong na D, TED. So, lalagyan natin ng D, audited. So, let's proceed to Lesson 14, Reading Practice number 5. Mrs. Queen, the final copy for the circular promoting our hardware products arrived yesterday, period. I was indeed glad to have it, and I thank you for it, period. You must have spent hours and hours working during the weekend to have finished it so soon, paragraph. I am placing an order today with the Broadway printing shop for 20,000 copies, period. We should have them by March 10, period. They will be mailed to our dealers between March 15 and April 10, paragraph. I am enclosing our check for $320 to pay for the work you did on the circular, period. Thank you again for your good service, period. Harry J. Quill. 14. Reading practice number 6. Mr. Baldwin, today I was invited to address meeting of the National School Book Editors on March 20, and I quickly accepted, period. Their meeting will be held in the Twin Cities Motel, period. I have selected the topic, open quotation, the study habits of teenage children, close quotation, period. The details of the meeting are listed in the enclosed folder, paragraph. This means that I will not be able to share our weekly production meeting, period. Will you be free on March 20 so that you could fill in for me? Question mark, paragraph. If you are not free, we may have to cancel the production meeting, period. Queen Suite.